So today you are here with your cripple hand mechanic, and we're going to do an oil change on the 2002 Impreza Subaru TS 2.5. The cripple hands can do it, you can do it. And today I have the accompaniment of Mi Padre. You will be needing an oil filter. You will also be needing a turbinator. This here turbinator, aka oil filter wrench, red handle. Yeet. There's the baby. Let's put her on some ramps. Ramp time, ramp man. Time to ramp it up. Ramp time, ramp man. Alright. Oil filter. Oil filter wrench. Notice the style and digression in the toss and approach of the cardboard for the body to rest. Yes. Yeet. Beautiful. Yummy. All you need is hair pops. Oil filter thingy wrench, aka the turbinator.
This thing is treated like a race motor.
Mm-hmm.
You see all that oil and grease on everything?
Is that from the seals?
That's from your axles.
Oh, from the axles. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, that's why they're clicking, because they're dry.
Oh, okay.
That's why you gotta get these things changed, dude. They're gonna break. Tear your transmission up. You'll be buying a motor and a transmission. Hell, I think you ready. Every time she mows grass, pollen through. Crap goes everywhere.
Note from Mr. Hands, always lube the O-ring so it will seal.
Once you get it snug, you only need to go about a quarter of a turn. Tight enough. That's all you need to do.
W30, 4.2 quart. Now today is your oil change with Mr. Crippled Hands and his pops, Mr. Hands. If you're in the Lynchburg / Madison Heights, Virginia area, you need your simple tune-ups and whatnot, holler at me. I'll holler at my pops for you. We'll keep it professional. You all be good. Happy mechanicking.
Carrots and apples and lettuce and broccoli.